Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to fix internet may not be available or Wi-Fi connected but no internet. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. Test the signal strength with speed test, and if found slow, make sure that both the devices are within the Wi-Fi range and no electronic object is obstructing the network. Solution 2. Restart both devices. To restart your Android phone, follow the steps here. Press the power button on your device. Then, click the restart or reboot option. Wait until it restarts and try connecting to the Wi-Fi again. For the router, plug out the router from the main power and wait for some time. Now, plug in back and press the power button on it to turn it on. Solution 3. Disconnect other devices. Ensure not to connect multiple devices to the same Wi-Fi network at a time. If connected, remove or disconnect the other devices to reduce the load on the network and enjoy strong internet. Here's what to do. Go to Android Settings, then Wi-Fi. On the saved networks, click the other connected networks, and choose Forget. Solution 4. Set Wi-Fi to Unmetered. Follow the steps here to do so. Open Settings on your phone, and go to the Network and Internet section. Click on the Wi-Fi option, and tap on the connected network. Click on the Advanced, then Metered. Treat as Unmetered. Solution 5. Configure your IP address. Ensure that the IP address on your Android phone is correctly configured to enjoy smooth Wi-Fi internet. Follow the steps here to do so. Go to Settings on your phone. Head to the Network and Internet, and select the Wi-Fi option. Click on the Manage Network and Settings option. Scroll down to IP settings, and change it from DHCP to static. Now, type any unused IP address in the box and click Save. Solution 6. Switch DNS Server. Here's what you need to do. Launch Settings on your phone, and go to Network and Internet. Scroll down to the Advanced option, and select Private DNS. Set it to Private DNS Provider Hostname, and enter DNS Google in the box. Click on Save. Solution 7. Reset network settings. Follow the steps here. Go to Settings, Additional Settings. Then, scroll down to the Backup and Reset option and select it. Click on Reset Phone. Reset network settings. Enter your phone password to confirm resetting networks. Android Repair Tool. If your Android device is troubled with unknown errors and issues, consider using the Android Repair Tool. This software can solve Android system errors and issues, like the blue/black screen, phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, and many more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in fixing blurry screen on Android phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.